Acquire. To gain or obtain something through effort. Example, students acquire knowledge through study. Adapt. To change or adjust to new conditions. Example, you must adapt to the new environment. Advocate. To publicly support an idea or cause. Example, she advocates for equal education. Allocate. To distribute resources for a specific purpose. Example, the budget was allocated to research. Anticipate. To expect or predict something. Example, we anticipate strong results this year. Apparent. Easy to notice or understand. Example, the error was apparent to everyone. Approach. A way of doing or thinking about something. Example, we need a new approach to solve this issue. Approximate. Close to the actual amount, but not exact. Example, the total cost is approximate. Attribute. To regard something as being caused by someone or something. Example, he attributes his success to hard work. Clarify. To make something clear or easier to understand. Example, could you clarify your question? Comprise. To include or contain. Example, the course comprises 10 modules. Conduct. To organize or carry out. Example, the team conducted a detailed analysis. Consequent. Happening as a result of something. Example, flooding was consequent to heavy rain. Constraint. A limitation or restriction. Example, time is our biggest constraint. Contrary. Opposite in nature or direction. Example, his actions are contrary to his words. Derive. To get or develop from a source. Example, the word derives from Greek. Distinct. Clearly different or separate. Example, there are two distinct categories. Establish. To set up or create something permanent. Example, the company was established in 2010. Evident. Clear or obvious to the eye or mind. Example, it is evident that she worked hard. Fluctuate. To rise and fall irregularly. Example, prices fluctuate during the year. Generate. To produce or create. Example, the project will generate new ideas. Hypothesis. A proposed explanation based on evidence. Example, the experiment tested the hypothesis. Implement. To put a plan or system into action. Example, the policy will be implemented next month. Imply. To suggest something without saying it directly. Example, her tone implied disappointment. Indicate. To show or point out. Example, the results indicate improvement. Interpret. To explain the meaning of something. Example, it's hard to interpret this data. Justify. To show that something is right or reasonable. Example, can you justify your opinion? Maintain. To keep in good condition or continue. Example, it's important to maintain balance. Negate. To make something ineffective or meaningless. Example, this evidence negates the earlier claim. Obtain. To get or secure something. Example, you must obtain permission first. Offset. To balance or compensate for something. Example, profits offset the losses. Overlap. To cover part of the same area or topic. Example, the two subjects overlap slightly. Persist. To continue despite difficulty. Example, she persisted until she succeeded. Predominant. The most common or important. Example, English is the predominant language. Preliminary. Done before the main event or action. Example, these are preliminary results. Proportion. A part or share of a whole. Example, a large proportion of students passed. Reinforce. To strengthen or support. Example, the lecture reinforced what we learned. Restrict. To limit or control something. Example, the law restricts smoking in public. Reveal. To make something known. Example, the report revealed serious problems. Specify. To state something clearly and exactly. Example, please specify your requirements. Subsequent. Coming after something else. Example, the subsequent chapters explain in detail. Sustain. To maintain or support over time. Example, we must sustain our efforts. Transform. To change completely in form or appearance. Example, technology has transformed education. Underlie. To be the cause or basis of something. Example, trust underlies every good relationship. Undertake. To accept responsibility for a task. Example, they undertook the construction project. Utilize. To make practical use of something. Example, we can utilize this data effectively. Violate. To break a rule or law. Example, he violated the company's policy. Widespread. Existing or happening over a large area. Example, there was widespread support for the plan. Incorporate. To include or integrate as part of something. Example, the design incorporates new ideas. Impose. To force something to be accepted. Example, the government imposed new taxes.